Hi friends, my name is Shyam. You are watching Shreya Computer Tech Channel. So friends, most of the device getting this type of error when they try to install custom ROM in their phones and they don't know how to fix this error. So friends, today I am going to tell you how to fix this error in most of any Android phone. Friends, basically this trick is working on any Android phone with any OS platform. So friends, let's get started. First of all friends, switch off your phone and reboot into custom recovery. After switched off, we need to reboot TWRP recovery by pressing volume up and down and power button. I want to tell you one more important thing. Please take a full backup including your contacts before we do this. This will wipe all your personal data and reset to factory data. When it's booted into TWRP, here friends, press on wipe and select here advanced wipe. Choose here friends options Dolby Not Cache, system, data, include internal storage and cache. You have to choose these items before we do this trick. After selecting this, we need to simply swipe right to confirm. Click on back. You have to select second time only the data option. After selecting this, choose the repair or change file system. Friends, the screen will appear like this type. Simple. Choose here change file system. When it appears like this, here choose ext4. Observe friends closely. Here choose ext4. Then simple swipe right to change. After it will change, then here we need to install any custom ROM. Your phone was not rebooted until you flash any custom ROM or stock ROM, because we are already wiped the factory data. Go to back and the home screen appears. Select here install. Choose any custom ROM which is suitable your device. I have chosen Oreo 8.1 and simply install. After install custom ROM, you need to wipe temporary data and here press reboot. See friends, my phone was successfully rebooted and the problem was disappeared. So friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please press on like button. I will bring you a latest technological information on this page. So thank you friends. Bye bye friends.